Manchester double murder suspect killed in shootout with police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man suspected to have been involved in Tuesday's double murder in Albion, Manchester, was fatally shot in a neighboring community of Newlands during an alleged confrontation with the police on Saturday morning. The man, whose formal identity has not yet been known, was labeled as a troublemaker by residents. Preliminary reports are that at around 5:30 a.m., police went in search of the suspect at a house when they were fired on. The gunfire was returned, and during the ensuing gun battle, the man was fatally shot. A resident of the community gave his account of what happened.
You know, from the last 4 months back, we're having some problem with this guy, personally. And my old lady, my old man, is passed by now. And my sister, she's the owner for the house. And we're having a problem with one of our brother who bring this criminal in our yard. Them keep saying he's my brother's son. I don't know him from nowhere. And my sister, them, we live together, and we them don't know him. Eventually, this guy come in at the house. My brother bring him to the yard, and him in the house, and me make report 2 times by the station. And the police them come, and them do what them ever didn't have to do, and eventually, we never know say him have a gun behind the scene. So eventually now, when we make the report, my brother's supposed to make the report back to the court because he have a court going on. And he never report to the court. Okay. We go by the court Tuesday, this week. And him never come because him find out say the police them might hold him, because the police, when we make the report by the station, because me have a paper with the police and give me from the station, can make the report, can me get threat by him and my brother in the yard, because my sister supposed to do some work and him building and him can't get to do it. And them keep sending threat to my sister. And I say, alright, one way to clear it. And know that the police them come and destroy him. Yeah. And the family feel comfortable. And the community feel more comfortable, because everybody in the community is like, them in fear of this guy. I mean, the yard, I don't know him, I don't know him from nowhere.
A family member said that his relatives struggled to get the suspect to vacate a family property, leading to a land dispute which is now before the court. The man who was killed by the police was a suspect in the murder of 2 men who were shot and another injured at a bar in Bottom Albion, Manchester on Tuesday night. In that incident, the police named the deceased man as Kalu Stas, otherwise called Rasta, and a 29-year-old resident of Albion who goes by the name Henry Brown, otherwise called Iceman, age 44, who were both shot dead and another man injured during the gun attack. The police said that at around 9:20 p.m, a gunman entered the bar and opened gunfire on the 3 men. An eyewitness said that the gunman grabbed a bag which reportedly had $100,000 from one of the victims and other items from the bar before fleeing the scene on foot in the area. The police were called, and on their arrival, 3 men were found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. 2 of the men were pronounced dead while the other one was admitted. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.